Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, and today's video we will see how to run speech separation recipe using SpeechBrain. SpeechBrain are providing you pre-trained model. Using those pre-trained model, how we are executing speech separation recipe. So let's start as a laptop screen.
So now let's start as a demonstration. First of all, I open here my Jupyter notebook, the web browser. So for where exactly my code, I will just look it out here, speech separation. I already make this code and I will provide you as a demo point of view the mix wave file. So here wave files are mixed and I just simply play here.
Please let Liz Truss answer. Please let her answer.
When inflation gets out of control, interest rates go up.
Rishi Sunak, please let Liz Truss answer.
I don't accept those.
So this is a mixed wave file. I separate those wave file as a separate channel, channel 1, channel 2. So this is a simple logic code. Here I just simply clear the output here. So entire output is clear. Just only 7-line code, and you can very easily use pre-trained model of SpeechBrain and separate both channels or mixed voice. So here I call it here the libraries. Install first of all 2 libraries. One is a SpeechBrain, second one is a transformer, and then run. And here I import as a SpeechBrain and some of the other packages calling to this. This packages calls as a SpeechBrain.pretrain import speech from separation as a separation point of view. This package is very important. I import here this package, and now here model equal to separate this model. I call it here from HPARAM source. So here pre-trained model, I call it the pre-trained model. This model is available on website, on SpeechBrain website. I already put it this link also in same video description, so you can very easily understand where exactly available the separation model. Even I save this model in same directory as I show it to you. First of all, here the pre-trained model I already save here. After execution, this model is automatically create here. First of all, we run here import packages. Now I execute the model. So this model size is around greater than 200 MB only, not more than that. So here wave file path, I just simply call the wave file path here. So current wave file is 44,100 gigahertz. So I convert this file like 800 gigahertz. So sampling rate I will change out, because of this model are considered just only 8,000 gigahertz. So again I run this wave file here. So here this wave file run as a mixed wave file. Wait couple of seconds, and now here I am converting channel 1 and channel 2. So this wave file are generating channel 1, means here one lady are speaking here. We can play here simply. I just simply play here.
Please let Liz Truss answer.
When inflation
Rishi Sunak, please. Rishi Sunak, please let Liz Truss answer.
I don't accept.
And now I just remove one of channel here also. So here channel 1 and channel 2, and here is a mix file. So I play here second channel.
push people into enormous
Truss answer.
misery.
Please let her answer.
When inflation gets out of control, interest rates go up. That's what happens.
Let Liz Truss answer.
I don't accept those.
And that's it. It's very simple to use SpeechBrain model and separate your 2 wave files using these tips and tricks. And for execution point of view, it's very simple program. I already put this code in my GitHub repository, and this GitHub repository link are available on same video description.
If you really like this video, so please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and hit the bell icon. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.